ERD repairs power supplies like this one made by Lumina Power, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer same-day quote on all of our repairs. These high-voltage power supplies are used in the medical industry for hair and tattoo removal. Here you see the power supply being tested to ensure proper operation after their repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.